Hello creative people, and welcome back to my channel. For today's videos I will be showing you how you can create this beautiful lacy dress without any basic patterns. This is super easy to do, so let's start. You will need only 3 measurements. It's the bust measurement, it's the waist measurement, and your hip measurement. Take your hip and all of the measurements and divide them with 4, and then do the marking as you can see here, and leave about maybe 10 to 11 centimeters distance, and just create the shapes that I will show you here. And then you're gonna create a little shape that is underneath your armpit and the bust line. This is very optional, do whatever you want to do, make it straight. You don't have to make this little cut for the armpit, but I like it because it fits much better and the cup fits better for the breast, especially if you have bigger boobs. The second step is, of course, to remember, like I showed you in the video, you need to have the incisions. We didn't add them, we're gonna add them later. My fabric is very stretchy, so for me I wanted to shape my breast. It's always good to shape the breast because it will fit much better and it will fit better on your body as well. The second step is just to mimic the front piece, and you're gonna do the back one. So for the back, just mimic the pattern, and I just created a lower back, and then I realized later in the video that I really wanted to go even more lower. Well, you're gonna see this later on. Now we have a back and front piece, and of course the first step is to sew the little incisions. We didn't mark them, but you can just sew them. It's really easy, nothing special. And then of course sew the sides. It was really hard for me to work with tulle, but in the end it all worked out great. Like I did for my previous design, I also added a trim, which is a silky ribbon on the side. And I also did the same thing, the same mistake for the bag, because I really wanted the dress to sit even tighter. So I cut and I sew a line on the back, and of course I added the trim there as well. Then I also added the bretelles, as you can see here, and also the trim on the upper line, because I wanted to create this really nicely and I want to look beautiful both from the inside and the outside as well. Don't forget to add the bretelles, but for me I did this actually the last step. Before I did anything else, I attached the red lace that I had. I had a lot of things to do with this lace because I didn't know what to do with, and I knew I saved it for something good, and I wanted to do this dress because I thought it was perfect way to show you guys how you can create this dress that is like 7K and you can make it for a very less, like I think maybe $80. Depends where you find your lace. If you buy it on eBay or somewhere else, or you can buy actually thinking to reuse something that you already have, then it will be much more cheaper. But the dress is just gorgeous. It's very beautiful for the summer, and I'm definitely going to wear this as a bikini cover-up and not a dress. So as you can see here, the step is literally the same. I just placed my fan heter det? I want to say trim, but it's not a trim, it's lace. So I just placed my lace a little bit everywhere to cover the butt, to cover the front area, to cover the boobs, and then attach them everything, and which is the hardest part, is to actually sew all of the lace on the dress. So this is what it takes longer time. The base, it doesn't take time, but placing the lace and sewing the lace, this is what it takes a lot of time. So that's what I did here. I cannot instruct you, I only said that it's important to cover the back, the ass, the front, and the boobs, and then you're done. And after like 4 hours, the dress was completed. It's very easy to make. You don't need any basic patterns. You only need a very stretchy tulle. You need some trim silky bands. I use this only because the tulle is very thin and I don't want it to break, and I wanted to make it much more like high quality. But you don't have to. You can just sew a straight line. The original dress actually doesn't have this, which is very strange because I think this actually makes the dress much more high quality. I love that my trim, my lace has little diamonds all over it, and I actually had to re-glue some of them, but the end, it's just amazing. That is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful and useful, and I hope that I inspired you to create something similar. If you create any videos, anything that is from my videos or using my patterns, please tag me. I want to see your product. So I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I see you soon again. Hej då!